Create the ultimate pool and billiard den in any room of the house. Is your significant other not relenting to letting you have a pool table in the living room, study, or basement? No problem. With the Rally and Roar mini tabletop pool game, you can still live out your dream of playing pool with your friends without ruining the aesthetics of the room or taking up unnecessary space. Our compact-size billiard table with accessories is a great compromise and solution with a spouse that just won't budge because it can be set up, broken down, and stored away in a matter of minutes. Play an impromptu game when you have guests over at the house or bring it with you to the neighbor's pool party or barbecue. Built to emulate the aesthetics and feel of a professional pool table, you and your friends and family will love the way all the pieces work together, so you feel like you are playing at an actual pool hall. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Mini size and compact. At only 40 inches in length and 20 inches in width, the Rally and Roar billiard pool set offers enough surface area for a one-on-one game of pool but won't take up unnecessary space in a playroom, game room, living room, dorm, or bedroom. Number 2. Realistic, premium builds. Though small in size, this billiard game kit looks very much like a real pool table with a smooth, gray surface and balanced, weighted balls and cues. The frame is even made of durable, attractive, deep brown wood. Number 3. Improved game pieces. Custom-made miniature cue balls were designed for a more accurate aim. Our cues are also 20% heavier than competitors for enhanced control and playability. These small tweaks provide a more realistic overall pool playing experience. Number 4. All-around protection. Boasting authentic, rubber bumpers along the sides, you enjoy a realistic bounce that mimics standard billiard tables. Our tabletop pool game also has foam-padded legs to prevent scratches or marks on furniture and flooring. Number 5. Great for the family. Now is as good of a time as any to teach anyone the joys of the pool. Due to its miniature stature, this fun game is easy to learn, is great for practicing hand-eye coordination and teamwork. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.